interesting. I would like to make it interesting for all of you. Good afternoon, everyone. The guests, other than Innerweek friends, and chairperson, co-chairperson, Dr. Urvashi, and Mr. Anurag from Mediways. I'm really glad to make me part of this wonderful medical conclave. जहाँ डॉक्टर हूँ, मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत अपने आप को भी और अपनी Innerweek को भी ले जाती हूँ. So it's a really good thing. Thank you, Dr. Urvashi, for making me part of this wonderful medical conclave on Healthcare Horizon 2025. It's both an honor as well as a responsibility for me to talk to you, the august gathering here today, on the subject that's not only timely, but it is definitely an essential for our collective future. The topic given to me is Prevention Precedes Cure, Building an Inclusive, Resilient Ecosystem. शायद Innerweek sisters को पता है इस टॉपिक के बारे में बहुत कुछ. When I start speaking, you will say, अरे ये तो हम करते ही हैं सब लोग. So it's good we share it what Innerweek is also doing under this topic. So let's begin with simple truth. Prevention is just not a strategy. It is a wisdom in action. Whether in healthcare, education, environment, or economy. We all know that. Time and again we have seen it whenever we are waiting for the crisis to come up. And then we act, it is much more costlier. We pay a price. Recently we have paid a price for COVID-19 pandemic, all of us. So my topic is almost like that, prevention precedes cure. And so it's simply a truth that prevention is just not a strategy. It is a wisdom in action. Whether it is healthcare, education, economy, all of these things together also. So what do we mean by prevention precedes cure? Score the phase, हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं. Prevention is better than cure. That means acting early, thinking wisely, thinking compassionately, foresightedness, as well as on a wider aspect for a longer time, so that we can save our lives, save resources, and save money too for a better future for all of us. It's cheaper to build better communities, stronger communities, rather than to repair the broken ones. It's definitely always cheaper to preserve our nature rather than restore it. It is also much smarter if we can prevent the conflict rather than rebuilding again after a war. That's what I believe our Innerweek members are doing. For all of those who are not knowing Innerweek, they are creating lots and lots of awareness programs, be it healthcare, be it education, be it rural or urban. जहाँ कोई नहीं पहुँचा, Innerweek पहुँच गई. So that's very important for everyone to know. We are already working with all those doctors present here could hear me and get to know what Innerweek already creating awareness programs. Because we feel in today's world where climate change, health crisis, social inequality and technical disruptions, they are increasingly interconnected. And prevention is just not a luxury. It becomes a necessity for all of us. So what's the need for inclusive, resilient ecosystem? What kind of ecosystem we are looking for? Inclusive means when every voice matters, regardless of the gender, of the race, their background. What is resilient means able to withstand the shock, prepared for a change, as well as they are bouncing back much stronger, holding on to the storm they faced. And the one that promotes sustainable growth, not just for the few, but for all. An inclusive ecosystem ensures that vulnerable are not left behind. Those who are affected are definitely not left behind, and not only the privilege of few to avail all the opportunity. And for the information of all those not knowing Innerweal, we are already into cervical cancer prevention vaccination for the young girls, creating awareness as well as arranging for the vaccination for them. I think for last couple of years, when Dr. Urvashi was district chairman, a large-scale drive was taken care of by Innerweal District 301, and a mammographic camps, awareness camps is a drive added this year, last year, and years when I was international president. Many clubs of Gurgaon or societies, they are asking us to arrange mammography van so that they can create a mammography screening for all the residents of those societies. Keep it up. It's a wonderful thing for all of us to do. So what are the fields where we can do the prevention? Though we know in Innerweal, we have been talking also so many titles, and UNO gets to know what Innerweal is doing it. We send our annual reports to them too. Healthcare, COVID-19 pandemic has really taught us underpaying, under-investigating, low investigation, or putting in money, very little money in healthcare systems. That's what it leads to. So we need to think over investing more and more on preventing the healthcare system for the global consequences. क्लाइमेट चेंज, हम शायद कई दिनों से सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं न्यूज में कितनी फ्लड्स आ रही हैं, कितने डिवास्टेशन हो रही हैं. वाई? अनलाइक Innerweal, लाइक अगर हम एक पेड़ तोड़ते हैं, हम शायद 10 पेड़ और लगाते हैं हर साल जुलाई अगस्त के महीने में, बट नो वन एल्स इज डूइंग इट. They are not coming up with great awareness about this. So we need to face this climate change with a change. We need to put in whatever we are replacing as a women. We know कोई चीज खत्म हो गई तो हम उसको refill करते हैं. अगर हम पेड़ काट रहे हैं to build up roads, we need to plant more saplings all over the country, all over the community. Also, that's very important to invest in a cleaner energy, protecting all those and eco-friendly, as well as we are talking about the electric and battery operated cars also. Education and technology, definitely. It is ensuring digital inclusion, access to quality education, skill development, and how we prepare the next generation for uncertainties of life coming in. Mental health, again in this field, Innerweal is organizing webinars, seminars, all those things, because without mental health, we cannot achieve sustainable quality of life, a healthy life, a prosperous life. So creating system that promotes emotional well-being, reduce stigma, support individuals early on, and prevent large crises down the road. So what can we do? We are doing already many NGOs, many communities. As an individual also, you people can do a lot. Shift our focus from reaction to preparation. Prepare, prevent. These are the important things. Build policies that promote long-term well-being rather than short-term gains. Involve diverse voices in decision-making. Support innovation that is sustainable, ethical, and equitable. Empower the most vulnerable, not those already who have the power, because ecosystem is only as strong as its weakest link. So in conclusion, I can only express what I spoke now. Future is not something that we enter. It's better we create it. We create it for a safer, fair, cleaner life for ourselves and for generations to come. Let us embrace prevention, not just as a strategy, but as a mindset. Everyone need to work towards it, together as NGOs, towards us as individuals. Let's not just wish only, but to create ourselves. Because in the end, prevention is not the cure. It is the only cure. We need to change the phrase now. Prevention is the only cure for a sustainable, healthier, prosperous future generations to come. Thank you so much.